Hi viewers, today we're going to talk about 25 prefixes. What is a prefix? A prefix is an affix which is placed before the stem of a word. When we add it to the beginning of a word, it changes its meaning entirely. For example, biography means the story of someone's life. But when we say autobiography, it means the story of one's own life. Well, our today's first word is auto, which means a self. When we say autobiography, it means the story of one's own life. Mal, bad. Malpractice, it means bad practice. Re, which means again. Retry, which means to try again. Pro, in favor of or supporting. Pro-democracy, which means in favor of democracy or supporting democracy. Anti is the same as against. Antisocial, someone who is against society or doesn't want to meet people a lot. Pre is the same as before. Preplan, which means to plan before. Post, after. Postwar, after the war. Micro, small. Micro-organism, which is small living body. Macro, large. Macroeconomics, large economic systems. Inter, among. Inter-colleges, among colleges or between colleges. Intra, within. Inter-college, within college. Mono, one. Monotheist, someone who believes in one God. Uni is the same as one. Unicellular, consisting of one cell. Multi is same as many. Multicolored, which means of many colors. Ultra, extremely. Ultra-modern, extremely modern. Infra, below. Infra dig, below dignity. Hyper, too much. Hyperthermia, too much temperature. Hypo, below normal. Hypothermia, low temperature. Bi, two. Bilingual, a person who can speak two languages equally well. Tri, three. Tricycle, a cycle with three wheels. Poly, many. Polygamy, having many wives. Omni, all. Omnipotent, having all power. Ex, former. Ex-wife, former wife, earlier or former or previous. Sub, below. Substandard, below the standard. Non, not. Nonsense, not having any sense. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon of my YouTube channel, Spoken English Master.